We'll do Holy Wisdom last. We're going to do Moving Mountain next because I think it's a little bit easier. Yeah, I just wrote on here, how many times am I going to repeat this? I just wrote a lot. I didn't write an actual...
Can you hear yourself?
Nope. Now, yeah.
Go ahead and play with it for a second.
What's your fantasy?
So you saw that's like 2 times up front. Yeah. Okay.
We're all in there, right?
I forgot.
Oh, it says in on 3rd time.
I think he wants you in on the first verse.
Yeah.
I think he wants you in right there.
But not before. If anything, just colorful stuff. Okay, then we're going to do it that way. You play 6 verses, 6 times through the progression, and then 2 more times, which is the fade.
Those 6 verses.
Dig in more.
Yeah, dig in more, and you'll do more fills. But don't get too crazy.
I'm not going to. We're doing Move a Mountain now. Now that I have figured out the form of the song, which I should have figured out when we practiced. How's the battery? We're good on battery. I'm ready.
Here we go.
The fade, I'm not going to stop playing.
Yeah, I'll be doing the fade. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. But
yeah.
I don't want to diminish my actual playing.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So here's my question. Are we actually doing that? Because how he's playing it, he's doing a live fade. And I think he did that on the scratch track to kind of say like, okay, we're getting quieter, okay, we're getting quieter. And then the organ will come back in, right? Because this is the one with the organ that comes in, right? Or was it a different song that came in with the organ? Do you remember? Here's the bad news. I didn't have the room mic on the whole time. Bow, bow, bow. Now it's on.
Now it's off.
All right.
Okay. I love recording. Recording is my favorite thing.
Okay. Ready?
And willing.
Here we go.